Hello everyone, myself Tarun from 3rd year B Mechatronics. In this video, we are going to see about BMC of Skyroot Aerospace. What is BMC? BMC means Business Model Canvas. It is a strategic management tool to quickly and easily define and communicate a business idea and concept. I came to know about this company through a website called as crunchbase.com. We can see some details about this company. This company's name is Skyroot Aerospace. This company headquarters is located in Hyderabad. This company is founded in 2018. This company's URL is www.skyroot.in. Next, we can see the overview of this company. This Skyroot Aerospace is India's first launch vehicle startup company. They are developing launch vehicles for very cost-effective access to space. In this aerospace company, there are 51 to 200 employees working in this company. This company is a private sector. This Skyroot Aerospace company has a total funding of $14.9 million. This company has investors of 9 investors. Why I have chosen this company? We can see. When we see this company's industrial verticals such as agri and food tech, robotics and automation, healthcare, energy and aerospace and defense, and fintech and smart city. While we see the innovation and technology of this company such as augmented and virtual reality, AI or ML, data analytics and IoT, robotics and automation, additive manufacturing. But while seeing the main domain of this company, there are two factors such as aerospace and defense and robotics and automation. Next, we can see the BMC factors. There are totally 9 BMC factors. We can see one by one. First BMC factor is customer segment such as telecommunication and services, ISRO or DRDO, satellite broadcasting, Indian government and institutional investors. Second BMC factor is value proposition such as improved cost and reliability of customizable engineering and vehicle flexibility. Next, we can see the third BMC of Skyroot Aerospace, that is channels, ISRO, channel departments. Fourth BMC is customer relationship, highly customized services, long-term contracts. Next, we can see fifth BMC features, that is key resources, expertise, infrastructure, reusable rocket technology. Next, we can see sixth BMC factors, that is key activities, designing, assembling and launching and recovering satellites and rockets. Seventh BMC factors are key partners, suppliers, ISRO, government fund and funding partners. Next, 8 BMC factors are employee salary, launching mission and infrastructure. Next, 9th BMC factors are revenue streams, that means licensing technology and government funds. Next, we can see the value proposition. Through the article, the Skyroot Aerospace raises fund of $11 million in the Series A round. This is the latest launching feature from the Skyroot Aerospace, which is named as Vikram series. Vikram series is especially a launch vehicle created for small satellites, most affordable and on the demand to space. Vikram series, Vikram 1 ranges from 225 kg to 500 km SSPO. In Vikram series 2, it ranges from 410 kg to SSPO. In this Vikram series 3, it ranges from 580 kg to 500 km SSPO. Skyroot Aerospace have planned to launch this vehicle in 2022. Next, you can see the key partners and investors. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.